It's a new 2025 Honda Civic Hatchback Hybrid. When you think of a hatchback, you think of fun. When you think of a hybrid, you think of efficiency. When you drive this Civic Hatchback Hybrid, you'll think this is your perfect blend of both. It's well equipped with the features you need: integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, continuously variable automatic transmission, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 561-508-9936.